Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Adobe Photoshop 2024 is not opening on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Do not ignore this step. Simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart, try launching Adobe Photoshop 2024. Still not launching, then end Adobe services in Task Manager. So make a right click on the Start menu and then click on Task Manager, and then over here if you see any Adobe services running, just end the task. So you can make here, you can see there are 3 Adobe services running. If you find any Adobe services running over here, you can close it. So in my case it's Creative Cloud, so you make a right click, then click on end task. That is also Adobe services. Make a right click on Adobe, all the Adobe services. Now once you close all the Adobe services, close the Task Manager and then try launching Adobe Photoshop once again. But still not launching, in that case run Photoshop as an administrator. Now for this, just type in Adobe Photoshop 2024 in Windows search box and then make a right click on Adobe Photoshop 2024, then click on open file location. Now make a right click on Adobe Photoshop 2024, again make a right click and then click on open file location, and over here you will see the exe file. Make a right click on the exe file and then select properties and then go to this tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, click on OK, and then make a double click, launch Photoshop from here. So you can just make a double click and try launching it from here. Still not working, make a right click and then select properties, and this time select, put a check over here and then select Windows 8 and then hit apply, click on OK, make a double click, launch, try to launch it from here. Again still not working, again go to properties and then this time select Windows 7 and then hit apply, click on OK and then check, but still not working. In that case go to properties and this time uncheck this and uncheck run as administrator and then follow the next step. Now the next step is to allow Photoshop to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, just make sure that you allow the Adobe Photoshop exe file to your antivirus program. Now if you're using Windows security, then open Windows settings and then go to privacy and security if you have Windows 11 and then click on Windows security. If you have Windows 10, you will have an option update and security and then click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, at the end you will see manage ransomware protection, click on it and then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow and then click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Now go to the installation folder. So go to this PC, open C drive, now open program files and then open Adobe folder. Now over here you will see Adobe Photoshop 2024, open this folder and then scroll down and find the exe file. So here you can see Photoshop exe file, click on open. Once it is added over here, now type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel, system and security, Windows Defender firewall, click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall, click on change settings on the top, click on yes to allow and then click on allow another app and then click on browse and then go to the installation folder once again. This PC, C drive, program files, Adobe 2024 and then select the exe file, click on open and then click on add. Once it is added over here, now you can click on OK on the bottom and then try to open Photoshop. Now still not opening. Next step is to check for update and update Photoshop. Now for this you can open Creative Cloud. So open Adobe Creative Cloud. Now once Adobe Creative Cloud is open, over here you will see on the top here, you can see three dots. Click on these three dots and then click on check for update. And if you see update all option highlighted, you can click on update all. So check for update, it will check for update. If there is any update, it will update the application. Now you can also click on manage update over here. And if you see update all highlighted, you can first of all click on check for update and it will check for update. And if there is any update for Photoshop, it will update it for you. Now after you update it, if there is any update, once the update is installed, now you can try to open Photoshop. Now the next step is to run Adobe Photoshop on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings and then click on browse over here and then go to the installation folder. So go to this PC, C drive, program files, Adobe Photoshop 2024. Select this Photoshop exe file, click on add. Once it is added over here, now click on options, select high performance, now click on save and then try to launch Adobe Photoshop. Now the next step is to perform a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. So go to NVIDIA website and then select your product type. In my case, it's GeForce. Select your product type, then select your series. In my case, it's 30 series. Make sure that you select your series and then select your graphic card over here. And then if you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11 and then click on search and then click on download and then click on download once again. And once the download is complete, run this exe file. Now once you run the exe file, you will see the screen. Click on agree and continue and then select custom over here. Make sure that you select custom and then click on next and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check on perform a clean installation and then click on next and then it will do a clean installation. It will uninstall the previous version and then it will do a clean installation and then restart your computer. After this, you have to restart your computer and after the system restart, launch the game. Now for AMD users, you can go to this website, AMD website, and then open this link in a browser. It will take you to AMD website. Over here, select your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card. This is just an example. Now once you select your graphic card, click on submit. And then over here, select your operating system. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. And then click on download and then run the exe file and install the latest driver. Now Intel users can use Intel driver and support assistant. So you can type in Google, you can type in Intel driver and support assistant and go to Intel driver and support assistant website and click on download. If this is not installed on your computer, click on download and then run this exe file. In my case, it is already installed, so I will repair. In your case, if it is not installed, just click on install and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, you will see the launch option to launch Intel driver and support assistant. In my case, it is already installed. So run Intel driver and support assistant. It will scan your computer. And if there is any update, it will let you know. In my case, your Intel drivers and software are up to date. So it's telling me it's already up to date. There is some, just ignore it. You will see install option over here or download option. So click on download and then install it using the Intel driver and support assistant. Then restart your computer. After you install any driver, just restart your computer and after the system restart, try opening Photoshop. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description, open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. Download x86 and x64, both the files. So click on it and then run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install, click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well. Again, if you see the repair option, run this exe file first. So if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install, click on yes to allow. And once the installation is complete, make sure both x86 and x64 is installed. And once the installation is complete, you have to restart your computer. Restart is a must after this. And after the system restart, you can try launching Photoshop. Now, the next step is to try older version. So if the current version is not working, you can go to Creative Cloud, and over here you can see Photoshop. Then click on this three dots over here, and then you will see other version option. Click on other version. Now if the current version right now it's 25.6, if this is not working, you can try older version, that is 25.5.1. you can install it and you can try to launch the older version. You can try older version if the current version does not work. Now the last step is to uninstall and reinstall Photoshop. If nothing is working, you can simply uninstall it. Click on these three dots and then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, you will see that after the uninstall, now once the uninstall is complete, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can open Creative Cloud, log into your account, and then you will see install button over here. You will see install button, so install it. And once it is installed, this is the right one, 25.6. This is the right one for me. So you can uninstall it and then reinstall it. Now that should help you to open Photoshop. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to open Photoshop 2024 successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.